Yeah, I'm back.
सर
Yes.
हेलो सर।
हाँ बेटा, बोलिए बोलिए।
सर नेटवर्क इशू बहुत हो रहा है सर, मैं फिर से ज्वाइन करता हूँ।
हाँ, मेरा भी एक्चुअली वही हुआ, तो शायद डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया ऑटोमेटिक, इसलिए मैं रीजॉइन किया। ठीक है, जस्ट डिस्कनेक्ट करो, वापस ज्वाइन करो।
ठीक है सर।
Okay. So it may happen my voice in between will be break, but just look at screen what we are doing. Okay. So because sometimes we have to be accept the things, right? Because we don't have any choice. So we can go with that, no problem. So just look at screen, and I think it is all similar type. Marginal distribution of x निकाला हमने, अभी marginal distribution of y निकालना है, तो आप समझ के लीजिए y कैसे लिखा है, क्या है, तो I think you can go with the same thing. So y में we have 18, 19, 20, 21 और उसका रेस्पेक्टिव फ्रीक्वेंसीज क्या क्या है। 18 का फ्रीक्वेंसी 5, 19 का 6 एंड सो ऑन। So we have 5, 6, 6, 3. So this is the way one can able to write the frequency distribution, marginal distribution of x and y. Yes, any question so far? Any question so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let us proceed ahead. What is next question asked here? Conditional distribution of age of husband when age of wife when just a minute. When age of wife more than, let's say, 19. Let's say less than 19. And similarly, conditional distribution of age of wife when it is more than 27. More than 27. So these things were required for obtaining the conditional probabilities. So let us do and finish this exam. So next task is to be get the frequency, that is a call conditional frequencies. Let's take down conditional frequencies. Is my screen is shared? Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
visible.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the question here? Conditional frequency distribution of age of husband निकालना है। Age of husband मेरा क्या क्या है? Age of husband को I have defined x, मतलब मुझे x का distribution निकालना। We have to obtain x का distribution. Age of husband मतलब x हो गया, right? So what are the frequencies? What are the frequencies? I will write like this. So I can go with I can say this is part A, this is part B, this is part C. So part A is over. Let's go to part B. So part B we required conditional frequency distribution of age of husband. Age of husband is x. When age of wife is अच्छा इधर थोड़ा सा let's change. I will say wife is less than 19. Let's say it is less than 19. It's less than 19, and this is greater than 27. So is less than 19. Or I may say less than equal to both. Less than uh, less than or equal to 19. So I may use this sign less than equal to. I hope you are familiar with this sign less than equal to sign. It is less than equal to 90. This I want. So what you have to do? Those other all maybe because of that it is taking. Just give me a minute. Huh? Just give me a minute. I will prepare it. Here is a table and here is a frequency. We have x, we have frequency, and that age is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Finally, we have a total. Oh, and just a minute. I'm hanging. Okay, let me write once again. I think this is 27 and we have a total. Okay, so this is the I have written conditional frequency distribution of age of husband. The age of husband is x. Now, what are the value of x is taking here? 24, 25, 20 till 28. So I have written this one like this. And now I'm interested. The age of husband, age of wife is less than equal to 19. तो कैसे निकालोगे less than equal to 19? ये 19 हो गया. Less than equal to 19 मतलब add these frequencies. So it is going to be 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 1 which is 2. Less than 19 we require. Less than 19. So 3 plus 1. Just 24, 25 and less we require, right? So we have, I think 1 plus 3 plus 1. This is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Then at 25, 26 we have 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. This is 4. This is 4. And finally we have, I think this is dash. This is dash. This is dash. So wherever there is no frequency, you can put the dash. And 27 we have 1. We have 1. But don't put this is 0. Okay? 0 nahi. Put dash. So total how much it is? It is 8, 10, 11. So total will be 11. Just check whether you are right or wrong. Please let me know whether I am right or wrong.
right है
Yes. Sorry, इधर line नहीं आएगा, line नीचे आएगा. Line will be here somewhere. Okay. So can you get part C? Can you get part C similarly? Just work out part C and let me know the answer for this. What is question? See the question. Conditional frequency distribution of age of wife when age of husband is greater than equal to 27. निकालो चलो फटाफट आंसर बताओ मेरे को. Let me know the answer fast. I hope you have written the question last time. See the questions on your notebook and let me know the answer for next one. So we require here age of wife greater than equal to 27. This is wife.
अबे इधर से आ रहा है, इधर से आ रहा है. मारना मारना मार दे, अबे मार दे, अबे रिवाइव दे, रिवाइव दे. अपने बंदे 4 वाला है बे. अबे मारना, अबे रिवाइव दे ना, अबे क्या गधा है बे. अबे रिजॉन मत ना बे. अबे पर मैंने क्या किया बे.
Humayun, who is 496? Humayun, you are there?
मारना मारना यार, मारना जल्दी. अबे कैसा हरामी रहेगा, अबे मारना बे.
So we have here age of wife. That's why generally I prefer to mute everyone and then I can take lecture. So, because these such a type of sentence and I can say voice नहीं होना चाहिए. But anyway, greater than equal to we require 27. So here is a data for me. So here is we have y and frequency. Let's drop this all because it is not required. So we have here y and we have a frequency. So y is taking I think 18, 19, 20, 21 and we have a total. So I think just check your frequencies. Is it this one? Let me check one. greater than 27, na? So this much
18
data,
18 आ रहा है टोटल.
huh? So less than greater than 27, that means this plus this, this plus this, this plus this, this plus this. So first one is dash, because there is no frequency if you see here. Next one is 1, then 3, so it is 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and at 21 we have 1 plus 1, right? 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this is nothing but total is 5. Is this total is 6? Just check it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So in this way one can get the conditional frequency, and one can just create the table like this, because the paper is like all presentation is important, rather than going to writing part. The presentation skill is important, because it is all representation of. Okay, any question related to this, then let me know. Yes, no question, shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
एज ऑफ हस्बैंड और वाइफ, अच्छा इधर कुछ तो चल रहा है, एज ऑफ हस्बैंड वाइफ. So see what happened here, we will not write 0. Why 0? Because 0 is a frequency. 0 is a frequency. Okay. So if there is no number, that means it is. So if there is a dash, that means there is no frequency exist at all. No frequency, that means that there is no number exist. But if I put 0, that means there is frequency but the number is 0. Right? So just understand the meaning of what I'm trying to conclude. 27 कैसे डिवाइड किया? हाँ, हाँ. See, this is the problem asked. This is the problem asked. कि मतलब कभी कभी क्या होता है कि मुझे कंडीशनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन निकालना है एज ऑफ वाइफ का, इसका उनके हस्बैंड का एज अबाउट 27 है या बिलो 26 है, लाइक दैट. तो क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछेगा, उसका आंसर्स आपको देना है. दैट इज बेसिकली इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, इसमें एक चीज मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ. वी हैव डिस्कस लास्ट टाइम रिलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, राइट? So 2 upon total, 5 upon total, 7 upon total, 4 upon total, one can get the relative frequency. I just want to introduce here concept of Ojai, that is called cumulative frequency. Concept of Ojai, which is called or CDF, which is called as cumulative distribution function. Okay, it has two types. One will be less than type, other will be greater than equal to type. So less than type हो जाए and greater than type हो जाए. Okay, so two types होते हैं. So first we will see how we can calculate these type. Okay, so I can use or less than CF, greater than equal to CF. Okay, so let's see how we can first work on, and then I will give the theory part of that similarly. Okay, so suppose I have mentioned what is Ojai. Ojai is a data, it is a cumulative data. It is the cumulative data. So suppose if we need a number which is uh, let's call how many number of how many frequencies are there below 36, 26. Age of husband whose frequency below 26. तो इसको प्लस इसको मीन्स लेस देन इक्वल टू 25 निकालना है मुझे, लेस देन इक्वल टू 26 निकालना है. So I may go add these numbers. So 2 plus 3 plus 7 like that. Okay. So one can get the frequency directly using the data. Okay. So both things we can see in the problem how this OJI one can able to calculate and how it works. Okay, let me take this data only. Let me take this data only, and let me tell you how one can get the OJI from this particular data. So example. So this is suppose I'm considering some data, and I am interested to obtain less than CF. Less than CF, you know now the term. लेस देन ओजाई बोलो या लेस देन सीएफ बोलो, दोनों का मतलब क्या होता है, सेम होता है, बिकॉज इट इज क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी और क्यूमुलेटिव और ओजाई. The major task in this question is that whenever we are interested to get more information about the data, like when we have a less than type or more than type, then we always go for the conceptual thing. But क्या होता है, इसके कुछ conditions होते हैं. Conditions क्या होते हैं कि whenever we have a data in a form of continuous, then only one can able to find the OJI. One can able to find the OJI. So for example, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and like that. So this data is continuous data. Okay. So exclusive type. So data should be the exclusive type. So if the data is not exclusive type, you cannot find. So we need to convert the data in exclusive type. So suppose, for example, I'm considering this data only, and it may be the like 20 to 24, 20. So we need to always remember. I will give a theory of this maybe later on classes. So below 24, I may say I have a 2. Below 25, below 25. How many observations are there below 25? Can you tell me? Anyone?
7.
So what we are
7 sir,
doing?
2 plus 5.
2 plus 7. Below 25 means 2
2
plus
plus
7.
5 sir.
Sorry, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 become 7. So 2 plus 5 becomes 7. Then what happened? Then you can see this plus this will give the less than 26. मतलब मैं बोल सकता हूँ ये क्या 7 plus 7. What I did, फर्स्ट वाला एज इट इज लिखना है, सेकेंड वाले के लिए ये इसका CF plus frequency will give us the next cumulative frequency. Similarly, this plus this 7 plus 7 become 14. 14 plus 4 मतलब कितना हो गया 19. 14 plus 4 become
18.
sorry 18. Total is 18 and 18 plus 2 become 20.
20.
So we are go on adding this plus this frequency. So 7 again. 7 plus 7 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 2 20. So this is the way one can find less than CF. And once we plot age of husband versus less than CF, one can easily to get. So if I'm interested to know how many frequencies, how many number of husbands are there whose age are below 27, I can immediately say कितना है 18.
18.
मतलब इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें अदरवाइज अगर मैं बिलो 27 बोलूंगा तो आपने कैसे बनाया, यहाँ पे आप 1 लिखते हैं 2 लिखते हैं फिर एडिशन करते हैं फिर अपने को डेटा मिलता है. बट लेस देन CF क्या है, इमीडिएटली मुझे आंसर दे देता है कि हाँ अबाउ लेट्स से अबाउ अबाउट 26 कितने होंगे बताओ मुझे, अबाउट 26
6.
Up, about 26. So this
6,
plus
sir.
this 6. But can you get 6 from this data?
No, sir.
No. So that's why we required more than equal to type data. So here is now we have to require more than equal to CF data. That's why this second type of frequency is introduced. और ये कैसे निकालते हैं हम लोग? ये निकालने के लिए बहुत सिंपल कंसेप्ट है. सबसे पहले अपने को फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालने के लिए जो टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी होता है उसको लेने का. So the first frequency is equal to total frequency, and now the total frequency will be subtracted by the first frequency. So 20 minus 2 कितना आता है? 18. Then 18 minus
सर
5. Yeah.
थोड़ा शिफ्ट रहेगा ना सर?
Sorry.
सर 24 के कॉलम में सर 18 आएगा ना?
No. How?
तो ग्रेटर देन 24 तो सर 18 ही होंगे ना?
Greater than equal to 24. Greater than equal to.
ओके सर.
मतलब 24
यस
और 24 से ज्यादा कितने लोग हैं सबको ऐड करेंगे, राइट?
यस सर.
और अभी मैं बोलता हूँ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 25 मतलब क्या? इसको मैं रिमूव कर रहा
25
हूँ.
एंड ग्रेटर देन 25.
Yes, so 20 minus 2 will get 18. Then 18 minus 7, 11. 11 minus 4 कितना आएगा?
7.
7.
7 आ रहा है. 18 minus 5, 18 minus इधर थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. बट फर्स्ट 20 लिखा बराबर है. तो एंड सेकेंड 20 माइनस 2 ये हो गया. देन 18 माइनस 5 आएगा. 18 माइनस 5 ये फ्रीक्वेंसी सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो कितना आएगा? 18 माइनस 5
13.
13.
30. एंड 13 माइनस 7 कितना आएगा?
7. 6.
6. 6
and
माइनस
6
4
minus
कितना
4
आएगा?
2.
2. तो देखो
2.
लास्ट जो फ्रीक्वेंसी वही फिर से फ्रीक्वेंसी आ गया, दिख रहा है? तो लास्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी जो
यस
होगा
सर.
वो बाय डिफॉल्ट आएगा ही आएगा. मतलब आपने जो सब्ट्रैक्शन किया वो राइट है. मैं तो कहीं सब्ट्रैक्शन आप कराऊँ. तो अभी अगर मुझे निकालना है ये प्रॉब्लम में, सपोज आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू ऑब्टेन डायरेक्टली व्हाट, टेल मी द नंबर ऑफ एज ऑफ हस्बैंड हुज एज इज ग्रेटर देन 26. तो 26 ग्रेटर कितना हो गया? 13.
13.
डायरेक्टली मतलब इधर क्या है, आपने को कुछ एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करना नहीं. अपने को जो डेटा लेना है फ्रॉम यहाँ और यहाँ से लेना है. तो ये सिचुएशन में लेस देन और मोर देन टाइप का कॉन्सेप्ट आता है. ओके, एंड दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्चुअल. एंड आई थिंक आप पेपर 1 पेपर 2 में, सॉरी पेपर 2 में भी आपने स्टार्ट किया है कुछ ऐसा पढ़ा है अभी तक सीडीएफ का कंसेप्ट?
नो सर, अभी स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, so
सीरीज सीरीज भी नहीं हुआ.
very soon you will going to start the cumulative distribution
यस सर.
function, but that is in terms of random variable, and this is in terms of data we have. Okay, so this is the way one can able to solve the problem based on cumulative frequency. One can try this example also. ये वाला ट्राई कर लो आप एक बार. चलो, तो एक बार ये आ जाएगा तो आप अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. Now let me know whether you are comfortable with this or not. Just let me just calculate for this one, and then we can just find out less than CF for this and greater than equal to CF for it. By the time sir will join. Sir is not joined, so by the time you finish this one, okay? And then rest thing we will see in the next session.
हो गया सर.
Yes, students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the answer for this?
5, 11, 17, 20.
5, 11,
11, 17, 20.
17, 20. Total become 20. What about
20,
this one?
15. 20, 15.
20, 15, 9.
9, 3.
9, 3. So one can get CF, or you can say OJI, or less than cumulative type frequency for this data, and then more problem we will deal in the next class. Okay, sir has already joined. Sanket sir is there or somebody else? Okay, so now in the next session we will see the problem based on uh, this unit, the unit which we are learning. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
in your practical in GC you have that all practical sheets available with you. Okay, so you can just take down and we'll finish that practical in this you can say lecture. Okay, and rest questions you can just work on, and you can able to get more and more questions. We will solve. I will give the theory of this OJI maybe in the this session or maybe in the next session, because theory is also important, because कैसे calculate करते हैं उसका टेक्निक क्या है, तो वो सब भी आपको आना चाहिए. अच्छा, किसका लेक्चर है अभी? संगीत सर और मैरी मैडम का. हेलो.
संकेत सर का रहेगा सर.
अच्छा अच्छा, because I think sir is okay. Anyways, I'm just leaving the platform. I have already made the host, sir, and you can
थैंक यू सर.
yeah. See you on the next class.